Welcome in Craft and Design 3.0. I'm for my dear guys, for my dear audience. In this video, I'll describe best welding table setup ideas. My dear guys, setting up a welding table correctly is crucial for both safety and efficiency. Some key component and tips for creating the best welding table setup for your workspace is. First of all, welding table surface. Steel is the best choice for welding table surface because it is durable, strong, and can withstand the heat from welding. And thickness, a 3 by 8 to 1 by 2 thick steel surface is ideal for most welding applications. So this provides durability and a flat surface for precise work. So my dog is flatness. Ensure the surface is as flat as possible to avoid issues with uneven welds and workpiece alignment. So size of the table, my dog is the size depend on the type of projects you will be working on. For beginners, a table size of 3 feet by 4 feet is often a good starting point. Larger project might require a table of 4 feet by 6 feet or more. And height, the table should be at a comfortable height, generally around 34 to 38, 86 to 97 centimeter, depending on your height. Adjustable height tables are ideal for optimizing ergonomics. So it's a great hole patterns, my dear guys. Welding table with holes or slot. Having a table with pre-drilled holes or slots helps with clamping and fixturing your workpiece. Many professional tables have a 2-inch hole grid patterns to allow for easy attachment of clamps. So clamping point, if you prefer a solid surface, make sure you add edge clamp or C clamp around the table perimeter, sturdy frame, and steel frame. Your welding table should have a strong and sturdy frame made of steel tubing or angle iron to support the weight of your project. So lockable wheels is an optional. Adding makes the table mobile, but make sure they can look securely to prevent unwanted movement. So grounding point, my dear guys, grounding plug or clamp, install a grounding point directly on your welding table. A copper grounding lug or clamp connected to the table makes it easier to ground your workpiece. This ensures proper electrical contact for welding without needing to connect each workpiece separately. So as a storage option, my dear guys, shelves or dryers include storage underneath the table for welding tools, rods, clamps, and consumable. This helps keep your workspace organized. And a hanging rack, you can also mount hooks or a rack to hang cables, helmet, and other equipment within easy reach. So welding table accessories, my dear guys, clamping, the fixturing, keep several types of clamp, C clamp, F clamps, and welding magnet handy to secure your workpiece. So welding jig kit. My dear guys, having a fixturing kit with clamps, stops, and adjustable brackets can help with precision welding. And a welding vise. A small vise mounted to the table or side can hold metal securely for grinding, cutting, or welding. So ventilation and fume extraction. Fume extractor welding produce harmful fumes. So having a fume extraction system near your welding table is critical. So ensure your workspace is well ventilated, especially for indoor setup. So fan or vent hood, if you don't have a dedicated fume extractor, consider adding a fan or vent hood to help clear the smoke and fumes. So, my dear guys, lighting. When we talk about overhead lighting, ensure the table has sufficient lighting. Use bright and adjustable overhead lights or lamp to illuminate your work area, and task lighting are also install movable task lighting for detail work, and power outlet power stripe. Attach a power stripe to the table for easy access to electricity for your tools. So ensure that the cords are kept safely out of the way to avoid tripping hazards. And a dedicated circuit, make sure your welding machine has a dedicated circuit to handle its power need. So as a fire safety, my dear guys, fire extinguisher, keep an ABC rated fire extinguisher nearby the for safety, and metal spark guard. Consider adding spark shield or metal barriers to protect surrounding areas from spark and molten metal. So additional feature, if we talk about a magnet tool holder, attach magnet stripes or tools holders to the side of the table to keep tools, wire brushes, and pliers within reach. So cooling station, my dear guys, set up a small bucket of water nearby for quenching hot metal or tools after welding, and welding strategies. So, my dear guys, when we talk about a welding table setup, then ideal table setup summary are prescribed in my video, and my ideas and different material which I was used, and different sizes like as 3 by 2 or 2 by 1 centimeter, and different frames, different designs, different styles of a frame. We can make it like steel tubing with blocks, and different block chains or block wheels for mobility, and different design like as a square type or rectangular types or triangular types. We can make it. So grounding, built-in grounding point on the table, your prescribed, and storage under table shelves or dryers for tool for storing different items and different materials and different things we can store it. So as lighting, bright overhead and task lighting. So accessories, clamp magnet wise fixturing kits, and a safety, fire extinguisher, spark guard, and power management. So this setup will ensure a safe, organized, and functional workspace for any beginners or advanced welder. So my dear guys, I think that my video and my these ideas of different table setup inspired you much, and if inspired, then subscribe my channel, like my video, and share my video with your affectionate love. So thank you very much guys for watching my video once again, my dear guys. Thank you very much.